Welcome, here I've got Huawei Y6 2019 and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go now to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the capture settings. At the last position here we have the audio control. So when we pick this, we can get access to this button where we can turn on and turn off this option. So this is how it works, and when we have this turn it on, we can pick from say cheese to take photos or take photos when we speak loudly at the camera. So this is how to manage this, and this is really easy and cool. Let me pick for now say cheese to take photos, and let's go back to the camera to try to take a picture by saying just one word without touching the screen. So this word is cheese. And as you can see, the picture was taken by just saying this one word. So this is really cool here that we have this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to the settings here, tapping on this button. So for now this option is turned off. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.